Alright, back again. Now this is the putting back together. I checked it all out, and what I found out is one of these rings on the oil ring was together. So it messed it up. It was together, that's why it was burning all that oil. So I'm hoping this fixes it. I'm going to put this cylinder back on, and I'm still debating if I want to do, I'm going to look at the head and see if I want to mess with those seals or not. But this can be tricky, to say the least, sometimes. I'm trying to get it in here and keep it right. It can be very tricky, even though this is tapered. It can be very tricky. Try to push all this in. Yep, got the first one in. Working on. Let's get the next one in here. Okay, well, that side, we're gonna go to the other side here. Oh my gosh, I got two of them out over here. Alright, well, you don't want to watch me do this. I'll come back. Well, there we go. I got it assembled. I should have put you on there and show you a little jogging deal, because you got to put these two in, tilt it, put those two in, and to slide in there. But that'll give you an idea about how this. Now you just need to start tightening these down in a certain sequence and put everything back together the way it goes. So I decided to go ahead and try to go ahead and, this head looks so good. I think those valve seals should still be good, and the originals has got to be better than what I'm going to put in there. So there it is. So hopefully it don't burn no oil. Hopefully it's taken care of. We'll see. So I'll bring it back on. Maybe if I have time, I gotta go grab something to eat. Bring it back on. We'll see what we can do here. So I might just go ahead and put this one on as a short one, just because it's such, I can't edit them. But we're gonna find out, and I'll tell you what it is, what's gonna do. Just got to put all these on here. Tilt this up in here. I'll put it into place. But I got to get all these. These got to be torqued down. Alrighty. Well, I'll bring it back, and if you like this, help you, comment, subscribe, and I'll just, well, as I get different videos, I'll throw them up there, and hopefully I can help somebody. You have a good one.